Wi-Fi has become a necessity in our daily lives. But sometimes, you might have trouble with it. What about buying a new mesh set? You could, but that might be a little expensive. Why not go for a range extender then? Well, configuration will be complex for one thing, and the connection would still drop when you walk around your home. TP-Link One Mesh solves all your problems. Just update your existing TP-Link router's firmware to the One Mesh version, no need to replace it. Buy one or more One Mesh extenders, all at a low cost. Follow simple in-app instructions to configure your One Mesh system in minutes.